In this video from Device Doctor, we'll look at an issue with the Epson L3250 printer. When you power it on, the print head moves for a few seconds, then suddenly stops with a short, loud sound. Right after that, the printer's lights start blinking, and it completely stops working.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
As you can see, when we power on the printer, everything seems fine at first. But after a few seconds, the print head makes a harsh, unpleasant noise, and the printer's lights begin to blink. Now, turn off the printer and unplug the power cable from it. Lift the scanner unit and keep it open. Then remove the side cover of the printer to access the sensor. As you can see, the power system has moved from its original position and needs to be secured with adhesive. Also, the encoder sensor disc, which rotates on the sensor, has come loose and must be firmly reattached. First, place the power system back in its original position and secure it firmly with adhesive tape. Immediately after applying the tape, use compressed air to hold it in place and help the adhesive set properly. First, place the power system back in its original position and secure it firmly with adhesive tape. Then, apply a small amount of liquid glue for extra strength. Immediately after, use compressed air to hold it in place and help the glue set properly. Next, carefully remove the encoder sensor. You need to clean it properly because even a small amount of dust or dirt can stop the printer from working. If the sensor is dirty, the sensor cannot detect the print head's position correctly, which causes the printer to stop and the lights to blink. Gently clean the sensor using a soft, clean cloth. Make sure to also clean the encoder sensor disc carefully using a soft, clean cloth. Place the encoder sensor disc back in its position and tighten the screws securely. Now it's time to reassemble the printer. Reattach the top cover of the printer as shown in the video. Before fully reassembling the printer, let's run a test to make sure the problem is fixed and the printer is working properly. Turn off the printer, then press and hold the cancel and power buttons at the same time for 10 seconds to print a nozzle test. As you can see, the printer has successfully completed the nozzle test without any issues. It's working perfectly, and the blinking light problem has been easily resolved.